In this video, we will draw a bullet chart. Bullet chart is interesting because it is a small chart which can convey a lot of information. For example, let's say you are interested in one particular metric. I am interested in the course rating that I get on a particular course. Now for this metric, what are the different information I have? First is the range of the metric. I know that rating varies between 0 and 5. Then there is a target rating also which I want to achieve. So let's say the best course in that category has a rating of 4.5 and I want to look better than that course, so I set a target rating value of 4.6. Third piece of information we have is the actual rating of the course, which is the actual rating as of now. This is, let's say, 4.4. Lastly, I have rating levels as to what level of rating is bad, what is acceptable, and what is good. So I believe that anything below 2.5 is really bad. 3, 3.5 or 4 is acceptable rating but not what we want. A 4.5 or 5-star rating is a good value of rating. All of this information about only one metric can be shown using a single bullet chart. Let us see how. To make a bullet chart, you only need one value in the field which is current value. You can create a new field in the existing data source to have this value. I have provided a CSV file also. This CSV file is called bullet.csv. You can import this file also to get the field. So import that CSV file as a data source. Add a new page and select a bullet chart. This is a bullet chart. Place it on the page, and once you place it, you click it and you will have to select one metric. This metric will contain the current actual value of the rating. All the other things that I mentioned are to be specified here separately. Minimum is automatically set to 0. The max range will be given in the range 3. So I have set it to 5. The two threshold values for bad and acceptable rating are mentioned in range 1 and range 2. We will maintain a target value of 4.6, and you can see that the target is shown as a black line on this graph. The bar represents the actual value of the matrix, which is 4.4. The three regions, bad, acceptable, and good, are in 3 different shades. This small chart is able to communicate all this information in a concise and clear way. You can check out the style tab also to change the colors of the 3 regions and the black line and the bar also. That's all about this bullet chart. Try it out and let me know if you face any difficulty. I'll see you in the next video.